Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I will discuss about tax debit relief. Relief IRS debit from taxes. Table of contents. Tax debit relief. Relief IRS debit from taxes. What is the debit forgiveness program? Who is eligible for the program? How does a forgiveness plan work? Find out if you are eligible. Get a free IRS tax debit relief consultation by one of our tax professionals. IRS tax debit relief or forgiveness allow who want unpaid taxes to reduce part of their debit according to their circumstances. While tax debit relief is relatively rare, it's not impossible, and each case needs to the access to a professional to determine whether the person is eligible. The government has also as IRS debit forgiveness program that offers several options to relieve tax debit. The IRS tax debit forgiveness program was set up to help taxpayers with the complex tax forgiveness process and organize an appropriate debt repayment plan. Here is a quick overview of IRS debit forgiveness. What is a debit forgiveness program? The IRS Debit Forgiveness Program is an initiative set up by the Internal Revenue Service to facilitate repayments and to offer tools and assistance to taxpayers that owe money to the IRS. All insane people are to tax debit forgiveness, and each person financial assistance need to be assessed. IRS debit forgiveness applies if the taxpayer can claim extreme financial hardship and if all previous tax returns have been completed. The IRS debit relief program allows you to avoid high penalties of overdue taxes. Tax debit forgiveness is also better for your credit score in the long run. Because IRS debit forgiveness is an official way of setting up a debt consolidation plan, this will look better on your permanent record. Who is eligible for the program? IRS debit relief is the $5,000 or less debit for married couple. Tax debit forgiveness available in the solo income is below $1 lakh and $2 lakh. You can also apply for the IRS debit forgiveness program if you are self-employed and have experienced at least a 25% loss of income. UKs need to be extremely determine your IRS debit forgiveness program eligibility. Tax debit forgiveness will be calculated according to your unique circumstances along with a payment plan. There are several options for reducing debit to the IRS. How does the forgiveness plan work? You must apply for tax debit relief and be accepted into the IRS debit forgiveness program. You must then agree to the terms of your IRS debit forgiveness program. The IRS will continue to assess your financial situation for monitor your tax debit forgiveness. You will be given an IRS debit forgiveness payment plan to off the total and amended amount in the lump sum of installment. Find out if you are eligible. To find out if you are eligible for relief from taxation, contact a professional tax relief company such as Clean State Tax. Our friendly team will be able to provide more information on the IRS debit forgiveness program. We understand that every case is different regarding IRS tax debit forgiveness. If you do not like to see if you are eligible for IRS debit forgiveness, contact us today for a free case review. What is tax debit relief? Tax debit relief and debit cancellation in the partial and total forgiveness of debit on the sloping or stopping of debit growth owned by individual corruptions or nature. What is tax shield? A tax shield is an income tax reducing resulting from taking an allowable deduction from taxable income. For example, because interest rate and debit present as deductible expensive, taking and tax credit or tax shield. Expert fact on tax debit on taxes. Tax relief can help you reduce the amount of taxes on to the IRS. You may be able to negotiate a payment plan with the IRS that is more manageable for your budget. You may qualify of an offer in compromise which allows you to settle your tax debit for less than what is owed. The process of obtaining relief can several months or even year depending on your situation and how much money you working with a qualified professional who understands all aspects of tax law and has experience dealing with the IRS essential. Many different tax relief programs are available, so it's essential to research each one carefully. With candidates, we are left to help you schedule a call today. Main office to Executive Drive, State 410 Fort Lie. For diversity of background, Clean State Tax ability professional have over 25 years of experience campaign and can resolve most IRS and state tax problems. Contact phone number, email, horse 82881 Sunclosed. Free case review. What type of tax app do you need? Individual. Give us a short description of your issue.